Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Etoro app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you just click here on your money here, just click on it. Then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, just come here to your money depots, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean your money depots notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.